Hello friends, welcome to today's CCN lab class. So today we'll be discussing the NC2NS tool which is there in your CCN. As you already seen in one of the parts that we have done the programs using C language. So in this part we'll try to deal with your NC2NS tool. So we'll see in this video how to use NC2NS tool as well as the first experiment. So going forward, if you want to use NC2NS tool, we would require a VMware player, which is here where my cursor is right now pointing. So the first step would be to access to this VMware player. So double click on that VMware player. Then you will be selecting the Fedora, which we will be using to implement all your experiments. After selecting Fedora, select Play Virtual Machine. So once you select that Play Virtual Machine, you can see our NC2NS has come. So here you need to select your NC2NS. So it is done with the help of the cursor as well as mouse. First you need to click the using mouse, you need to click on NC2NS. Then you will be selecting NC2NS with the help of the arrow. So now you can see the software is getting started, which is happening in a VMware player. So you can see the VMware, the OS we are using here is Fedora OS, which is working or which is running in a VMware. So after doing this, we need to put the username. The username here we have is root, and the password we have set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So after doing this, we need to press the enter. So once this is done, we will be pressing the continue here. So as you can see, 1 second. Yeah. So you can see here, we need to press the continue. We will be pressing the continue button here. So once that continue is pressed, you will be taken to the VMware, that is Fedora OS. So we will be using the Fedora OS. So shortly we will see the icons. So here are our icons. You can see now. After seeing the icons, we need to click on this terminal button. So I'll be clicking on this terminal button and then do a right click and I will say open. So once I do this open, the first command we'll be using is dispatcher. So the first command we'll be using is dispatcher. So this dispatcher, what it does is it allocates the memories as well as it tries to map the CPU time to the software which we are using, and this also forms the first step to the software. So first I will be selecting the dispatcher and then press enter. So after pressing enter, so this is done, minimize it, again press a right click, then we will be selecting the second one, which is coordinator. So this coordinator command tries to coordinate between the tool which you are using, which is NC2NS, and the OS which we are using. The OS which we are using is Fedora. So it tries to form a link between your Fedora and NC2NS. So you press the enter, again minimize it, again do a right click and say open. Now we'll try to open the client which we are going to use, that is the tool which you are going to use, which is NC2NS. Okay. So you press the enter. So as you can see here, the tool is opened. So this is our tool which we will be using for all our experiments in this particular part. So here we have 3 parts. One is D, the other one is E, the third one is R, and the fourth one is P. So D stands for draw topology, wherein you will be drawing the topology. E stands for edit the topology. Whatever the topology you have drawn, if you want to add any characteristics to it, like bit rate, and if you want to add any commands to it, we will be going into E command. And the third command you have is R, which stands for run the simulation. Finally, the fourth one is playback. So if you want to see the output, we will be using a combination of both these keys, which is run simulation and playback. So the first command, we'll go to the first command, which is D command, wherein